Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that less and less Bitcoin is available. And I would like to show you a couple of data which shows that how many hodlers are out, what percentage of the total supply is already out, and how the halvings going to have an impact on it. And it's very scary when you can see, when you're first looking supply demand, then how drastically the available Bitcoins, which you can put your hands on, are decreasing. The second thing I would like to talk about is that there is a mysterious Bitcoin wallet, which became the third largest Bitcoin wallet in 3 months, the last 3 months. So who could be behind it? And the third topic is all about that Binance plans to hold euro withdrawals via SHEPA, AIM third-party payment challenges. So all this in today's video. And don't forget, every single day, I'm making you fresh content, short videos, longer videos to keep you up to date when it comes to crypto blockchain. So very simple. If you want to keep yourself up to date, just subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, and you won't miss a single thing. And also, if you like this kind of content what I'm creating, then hit the like button right now. Thanks a lot. And now let's start today's episode. And for a start, and as usual, let's have a look at the market. Well, not big moves at all. Again, doing sideways movement, but now around this 26,000 level, as you can see, 26,300 what's that? 26,037 US dollar is the Bitcoin price. Now 0.4% down, up. It's nothing, basically, really doesn't make a difference. It goes up or down that much. And Ethereum, 1,663 US dollar, almost, steady. When we're looking at the top gainers, we have Akash Network, AKT, up 10% now, getting into the top 100. Compound up almost 7%. Optimism about 5.5%. Among the losers, Curve DAO is down about 5%. Polygon is down 3.7 and 5.3.2. But you can see that not big moves at all. So when we're looking at here the candlestick chart, we have talked about this quite in details in yesterday's video, what kind of things can happen here. So anyway, since yesterday, hasn't moved really sideways movement. I summarized a lot of things in yesterday's video. Okay, now let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic, it's all about that it's really less and less Bitcoin available. And why? And why is this scarcity? I would like to talk about this in details and show you some evidence. Okay, so first of all, when we're looking at Bitcoin, then we can see that the total supply, the max supply, is 21 million. It will come out, the last Bitcoin, be mined in the year 2140. So we have about like 120 years, you would think. Okay, that's okay, plenty of time. However, look at this, 19,464,687 Bitcoin is already in circulation. That means 93% of the 21 million, it's already out in circulation. But when we continue, then we have this article, and actually this actually moved up to 76%. So Bitcoin long-term holders control now 76% of circulating supply. And when I go here, you can see here Glassnode the chart. So basically we're talking about who are actually holding it for at least 155 days. These consider long-term holders. Here you can see Bitcoin price, the black one and the orange one, how the hodlers change. And look at this. Since we got to this top back in around spring 2021, since that the amount of hodlers are increasing. It doesn't matter that the price really started to drop or increased, whatever. and it's since then it's continuing. And if we go here, you can see that out of this almost 19.5 million Bitcoin which is out, 14.6 million is in these holders hand, which is roughly speaking 76% of that 93. So, and when we do the math, simply another 7% will be mined in the next 120 years. And this one here shows the outflow of exchanges, all exchanges in total, centralized exchanges. So we can see that here, look at this. Since 2020, March, it continues to just go down this number. So back then, the available Bitcoin on exchanges was almost 3.2 million Bitcoin. By now, when we're looking at what we have 2.3. So since that, a bit more than 1 million Bitcoin less available on exchanges. And you can see 76% of that 93% is in hodlers' hands. So I would like to point out this here. That's also a very interesting one when we're looking at from this perspective. So we have, halvings in every 210,000 block. And for start, you could receive as a block reward 50 Bitcoin. This is how it all started back in 2009 in January. When the first 210,000 Bitcoin was mined, the 50% of the total Bitcoin supply, 10,500,000 Bitcoin, was mined in that period. However, in the next 210,000 block after that, when there was just the Bitcoin block reward 25 Bitcoin, just half of that, 5,250,000 Bitcoin was mined. And that makes it to 15. And if we continue, you can just, look at the screen basically. We can see where we are right now. At the end of this period, we're going to have 19,687 and so on. So 19.6, almost 19.7 million Bitcoin be mined. So already in circulation. But here comes the scary thing. If you're looking at a couple of halvings, you can see that now you can get 6.25 Bitcoin as a miner if you win the block reward. But after the halving, which will be in next spring in 2024, it will go down to 3.125. But in less than 10 years, about 9 years time, this block reward will be less than 1 Bitcoin. So now with 6.25 Bitcoin, in a day, 900 Bitcoin getting into the system. Guess what? Here, 0.78 Bitcoin in every 10 minutes. And by the end of this period, less than 200,000 Bitcoin will be available for, in 110 years, kind of like this. While now we still have 1.5 million Bitcoin, which is not yet in the system. So you can see the scarcity. And when people think that Bitcoin price will go up, it's mainly because of this. Because as we have started, and some people calculating that, okay, Bitcoin is out for, 14 years, and it went up that much. So if you calculate, this can happen in the next 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, and so on and so forth. But if you calculate with this, if you really would like to get put your hands on some Bitcoin, then it's getting more and more difficult. And if more rich people, after all the rules, regulations, everything is out, more saying that, okay, now I think Bitcoin is safe. Let's get some. I'm rich. I can buy it. I have money. Then definitely, it will be a bigger demand. They want some Bitcoin. which obviously push up the price because it won't be that much available. So I never push you in the direction to buy any crypto. No. This channel is not about that. This channel is all about that educate you, make you think, and make your own decision. Okay? So this is very important. But I just wanted to point out these things. By the way, now, by the way, here, the RSI, when looking at the RSI, we haven't seen the RSI that low at the moment. The last time it was that low, it was in March during the pandemic crisis in 2020. So, which means Bitcoin is oversold at the moment. It could mean, direction change and we can go up again, but it doesn't mean like today or tomorrow or something like that. It can go for a longer period, but right now this RSI always showed when it went pretty low after we had here, there, here a price increase. Anyway, you do your own thing. Second thing I would like to talk about today is about this mysterious Bitcoin wallet, which is the third largest Bitcoin holder wallet, and it became the third largest simply in 3 months' time. So here is this mysterious wallet, and basically the first Satoshis arrived to this wallet in May this year, and in 3 months' time it became the third largest Bitcoin wallet address, put it this way, address. And here you can see it. Look, the first two here, number one, the biggest one, is the Binance Cold Wallet. The another one is Bitfinex Cold Wallet. And then we have this guy. The fourth one is again a Binance Cold Wallet, right? So here, this has, at the moment, 118,300 Bitcoin on it, on this wallet. But when you open it, you can see that the first transactions basically started now in this year in May, and it has added Bitcoin significantly. Huge amount of Bitcoin. So the question is, to whom this Bitcoin wallet belongs to? Because this is right now a mystery. And there is a theory that maybe BlackRock could be behind this. Because, we had this wallet starting and then suddenly BlackRock applied for Bitcoin Spot ETF. But so far, we do not know it. I just wanted to point out that there is one wallet which goes up significantly when we're looking at the Bitcoin, which is on it. And yeah, well, probably, as it's large, we're going to figure out. But right now, it is a mystery. Okay, and the last topic for today is all about that Binance plans to hold euro withdrawals via SEPA. So Binance is struggling with a lot of things, and now we have this news that Binance plans to hold euro withdrawals via SEPA aimed third-party payment challenges. So numerous sources have indicated that Binance, the large crypto exchange by global trading volume, has the largest, has temporarily halted euro withdrawals and deposits through SEPA due to challenges with the third-party payment facilitator. However, the post published by Binance customer support team on Monday note the service will officially halt on September the 25th. So now it looks like that, there are actually some complaining that, okay, it will be halted on the 25th, but some people already facing issues with that. On the other hand, they're saying that it will be just, the withdraw and deposit through SEPA is going to be halted on the 25th. So it's getting more and more difficult for Binance, and when it comes to euro, but they already facing problems in the United States. So yeah, they're working on the issue, but this is definitely not good. And we can see others like Coinbase, they pretty much coming up, and some other exchanges. So yeah, Binance is still the biggest, but with this, it is their situation. It's a bit more difficult. Okay, guys, That's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I'm making you fresh content, related to crypto, blockchain. So if you would like to be up to date in these topics, simply just subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because you're getting short videos, longer videos every single day. So you won't miss a single important thing. And if you like this kind of content what I'm creating, then hit the like button. Highly appreciate it. See you in the next one. Have a good one.